I thought this was very interesting. If you look at this date from 1990 to 2020, so from 1990 to 2020, you look at it 30 years, this showing the richest people in the world. Like in 1992, you got the Walton families. That's Sam Walton at Walmart. You see they're right there at the top. And you see it's fluctuating. You see Warren Buffett. You see him moving up and down. You're gonna notice later he's still moving up. We're in 1994 now. So the Waltons are still in there, but they're steady at 23 billion. So that's the Walton family. Look at Warren Buffett. Hey, what happened? Man, he's sprinting to catch the Waltons. I don't even see Bill Gates. Where is Bill Gates? I see Paul Allen right there. Gates ain't even on the scene yet. All right, let's see if we can find Bill Gates. I don't see him nowhere. I'm looking. Oh, okay, there you go, right there. Oh, he popped to third. Jumped in first in 1999. In 2000. Check out 2000. The Waltons, they got moved to the bottom of the list in 2000. So it's like a foot race of these billionaires. It's like they're just playing with the money. They're just playing a game, like a chess game, see who could, or Monopoly game, and see who could make it to the top. And you see Warren Buffett, he's racing at the Bill Gates. Bill Gates there at the top is 2004 right now. So Warren Buffett, he's coming to get him. Carlos Slim from Mexico, he's getting up there. This is in 2005. You know Paul Allen, he was part of owner of Microsoft with Bill Gates. You notice that Paul Allen have fell off. But look, Bill Gates, he shot up there. Now he's third. This was in 2008. Carlos Slim from Mexico dropped to third. Bill Gates on the top in 2009. $44 billion. Wow, that's amazing. You know, to see these billionaires, it's like they're playing a game with money. Carlos Slim made it there to the top in 2011. But look at Bill Gates. He's gonna come back and get Carlos Slim. It's kind of like a track meet, a sprint relay or mile relay. These guys are playing games with each other, but we're suffering for it. And look at it, most of them are from the USA. You see two people, one from Mexico. Everybody else is from the USA. This is in 2015. Okay, 2016, let's see what happened. After the election in 2016, let's see what happened. Bill Gates still up there. You got Warren Buffett. Look at Jeff, Amazon. Oh my God, he just took off running. Over $100 billion. That's Jeff. He's Amazon owner. You got Mark Zuckerberg there, Facebook. He probably end up moving up. But you know, Tesla has been doing good in 2020. So we're at 2019. You're gonna notice that in 2020. Elon Musk, look at him. So I think right now Tesla's still going up, and probably in another year or two, he would be the richest man in the world. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.